Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to copy and paste in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with seeing how we can copy and paste in GarageBand. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up my track. So I'm going to open up audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new recording menu where we can get started recording, and in the upper left corner we have the edit mode, which I can open up to take me to my tracks right here, which is my mixing mode, where I can get started mixing all my tracks and getting them done how I like. So what I want to do guys, if I want to copy and paste my tracks, is do the following. So I want to find the track that I want to copy, and all I have to do guys is just tap on it. So as you can see, after tapping on it, now we have my copy option and cut option. So what I can do is click on copy, and after clicking on copy guys, now I can tap where I want to paste it. So let's tap next to it, and now as you can see, we can click the paste button. That's going to enable us to paste our track right here and get started using it as a new track. So basically guys, it's easy as that. You only need 2 clicks and you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.